In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your standing disk when it's not moving up and down and you have this lock error message. I came across a bunch of suggestions online, like holding the up button with the S or the down button with the S, but they all didn't work for me. So those might work for other disk brands, not this one. The one I'm using is a Richmat brand. I added a photo at the end of the video so you can check if yours is the same. So for this brand, all what you need to do is just press and hold the S button for 4 to 5 seconds, and that's it. The error clears and your disk should start moving again. If this didn't work, try to unplug the disk for like 30 seconds and then plug it again and try this, and hopefully it will work.